Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna and I like to talk about anything from fashion, luxury, style, hair care, skincare. So if you're into all that good stuff as well, please subscribe below and don't forget to hit that notification bell. As you can probably already tell from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about the Cartier LOVE Wedding Band unboxing. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this isn't an unboxing in the strict sense of the word because I've already unwrapped my purchase. However, I've never actually worn it, so it can kind of be considered as a half unboxing, I guess. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So as many of you probably already know, the brand Cartier has been around over 100 years. But the Love collection itself has only been around for around 50 years, so half the time, more or less. And the first piece of the collection to be released was the Love bracelet, as we all probably know and love. And this bracelet was designed in 1969 specifically by Italian jewelry designer Aldo Cipulo in New York City. And when it was released, there was a little bit of controversy surrounding this bracelet because it was modeled after medieval chastity belts. Go figure. But it quickly rose to fame because it became one of those must-have items that symbolized that the person wearing it was locked into love, hence the screws and the screwdriver needed to remove the bracelet. There was also quite a bit of rumor surrounding this bracelet once it was released and it became popular and everyone wanted one. One of the rumors I read was that basically you can only purchase the bracelet if it was a gift for someone else, so you couldn't actually walk into the store and purchase the bracelet for yourself. Another crazy rumor I read was that there was one New York City hospital that actually kept a spare screwdriver in order to be able to remove the bracelets from their patients being admitted into the hospital. I don't know if any of this is true, but if any of you have any idea, please leave a comment below. I'd be curious and interested to read all about it. So let's get back onto the topic. As I already mentioned, the bracelet was very popular and it is now in today's world presently an iconic part of Cartier. And the Love collection now includes many pieces like cufflinks, earrings, necklaces, you name it. But today we're going to be talking about the ring, as I mentioned. So for all my Canadian viewers, there are 3 Canadian Cartier boutiques. One in the Yorkdale Mall. The second is in Toronto on Bloor Street, which is the boutique I purchased my ring at. And there is a third boutique in Vancouver. For those of you who can't get to one of the boutiques for one reason or other, it doesn't really matter, they always have the online store. As well, I read that you can purchase by phone. The online store also offers a sizing guide, which explains the measurements of your finger in order to determine your ring size. I've never actually purchased online. However, I have read and I have heard that the online store, with your purchase, they will send to you the red iconic bag. Your box will be wrapped in the white wrapping paper with the red wax seals on both sides. So it's kind of another option for those who really can't get to the boutique. Which brings me to my next point. My purchase, this is what it came with. So I purchased the ring. It came with a red Cartier box. Not box, but bag, sorry. As well, the ring came in this red box. The box was wrapped in white wrapping paper, like I mentioned, with the iconic red wax seals on each of the sides. Unfortunately, I don't have those. I got rid of the wrapping paper and the wax seals. My receipt came in this pocket folder with the business card of my SA. I thought this was such a great idea. They also gave us a box with a cleaner, a jewelry cleaner. So we get the Cartier jewelry cleaner in order to be able to clean our ring with a little brush and a cloth, as well as the care booklet. So this booklet basically explains how to clean your ring. I'm going to show you. That's not all. There's more. The tissue paper. That's not important. It also comes with a little transport baggie if ever you're going on vacation or out of town or whatever, and you'd like to store your ring. And the certificate comes in the love envelope, like so. I'm just gonna hide the... And all this, I thought this was such a genius idea. All this came, they would put into a white plain bag with a top, like so. So you could continue on shopping with your day and no one would know you purchased anything from the Cartier boutique. So now for the exciting part. The red box we all know. And voila! Here's the ring. I don't know if the viewfinder is capturing that properly. So as you can see, it's a thin band. It's a little bit thinner than the Love Ring. This one is called the Wedding Band because you can wear it with your wedding ring, which is what I'm planning to do with it. And this is how it looks on. Mine has 8 screws around, however, that can vary depending on the width and I guess the size of your ring. Now this Love Ring in general comes in 4 different metals. You can get it in white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, or as Cartier likes to call pink gold, and platinum. I have heard though that the pink gold starts to look more and more like the yellow gold over time. So that's something to think about if ever you're interested in the pink gold ring. As well, for the widths, there are different widths. So there's the wedding band width, that's 4 millimeters right here. There's also a smaller model that's 2.4 millimeters if I'm not mistaken. And there's the Love Ring, the normal Love Ring that we all know, 5.5 millimeters. They also have a thicker one, which I was not aware of before filming this video, which is 11 millimeters in width and 3.5 millimeters in thickness. I've never actually seen it in person, so I can't really give you more information than that, but if any of you are interested, it does exist. As well, you can get with diamonds. Now the diamond patterns, there are a couple of them. You can get 1 diamond instead of a screw. You can also get alternating diamonds, so 1 screw, 1 diamond, 1 screw, 1 diamond. You can get all the screws as diamonds. As well, there is, which is, I've seen it in person, I really like it, a diamond pavé. So there's diamond pavé all along the band, but you have your normal, regular gold screws. And lastly, you can get diamonds all over. So diamonds for screws and diamond pavé. I've never actually seen that one in person, but if you're interested, take a look at the store. I have heard as well that the white gold with diamond is rhodium plated, so it's shinier than the normal white gold like I have, which kind of bums me out a bit. I should have compared the two, but I guess you live and you learn. Lastly, what I learned when I was shopping, the essay was nice enough to explain to us that the love rings can be made in one of 3 countries. So either France, Italy, or Switzerland. And you can tell based on the serial number which country your ring was actually made in. Mine was Italy. Any of the 3 are great countries that are known for their gold and silver, so it doesn't really matter. And lastly, for the engraving, you can also get it engraved. You have to be very careful about this, however, because there are a limited number of characters that you can engrave onto your ring. So there are 2 types of fonts, either cursive or block. As well, you have a choice of certain symbols, including a little heart, which is what I chose. For the other symbols, I'm sorry, I really don't remember, but once you get to the boutique or online, they have all the information about the engravings, which is perfect. So all in all, I'm very happy and excited to start wearing my ring. I know it can scratch easily, but it comes with the Cartier Love collection. So I've accepted it, I'm ready to wear my ring. Also, what I like about the Love Wedding Band is that it's thinner, so I can stack if I wanted to, I can add another ring to my finger, which is what I'm planning to do in the future. So if you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe below. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!